When it comes to choosing the perfect windows for your home in Orangeburg, double-hung windows are a timeless and practical choice. Combining functionality, energy efficiency, and style, they are tailored to meet the unique needs of homeowners in this vibrant region. Let's explore why double-hung windows are an excellent investment for Orangeburg homes. Enhanced ventilation for year-round comfort. Double-hung windows offer superior ventilation compared to other window types. With two operable sashes, you can open both the top and bottom sections simultaneously, allowing for excellent air circulation. This is especially beneficial in Orangeburg's warm summers when proper airflow can keep your home cooler without over-relying on air conditioning. The ability to customize ventilation also makes them ideal for freshening up indoor spaces during cooler months. Energy efficiency that saves money. Energy efficiency is a priority for any homeowner, and double-hung windows excel in this area. Modern designs feature advanced weather stripping, insulated glass, and energy-efficient frames that minimize heat transfer. These features help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on heating and cooling systems. In Orangeburg, where hot summers and mild winters are the norm, energy-efficient double-hung windows can significantly lower utility bills. Many models also qualify for energy rebates, adding to the cost-saving potential. Ease of cleaning for busy homeowners. Cleaning windows can be a daunting task, especially for multi-story homes. Double-hung windows simplify this process with tilt-in sashes that allow you to clean both the interior and exterior surfaces from inside your home. This feature is a game-changer for Orangeburg residents looking for low-maintenance solutions. Whether you live in a bustling neighborhood or a quiet rural area, the ability to keep your windows spotless without ladders or professional cleaners is a major convenience. Classic aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows have a classic design that complements a wide variety of architectural styles, from historic homes to modern builds. In Orangeburg, where traditional Southern charm meets contemporary living, these windows seamlessly blend with the aesthetic of many homes. Available in a range of materials, colors, and finishes, double-hung windows can be customized to match your home's unique look. Whether you prefer sleek vinyl, warm wood, or durable fiberglass, there's an option that fits your style. Improved safety features. Safety is a key consideration for families, and double-hung windows deliver peace of mind. Many models include advanced locking mechanisms and the ability to limit how far the window can open, which is particularly valuable for homes with children or pets. Additionally, the dual operable sashes mean you can ventilate your home without fully opening the window, reducing the risk of accidents or unauthorized access. This combination of safety and functionality makes double-hung windows a smart choice for Orangeburg families. Durability and longevity. Double-hung windows are designed to withstand the elements, making them a durable choice for Orangeburg's climate. With proper maintenance, high-quality double-hung windows can last for decades. Modern materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring your windows look great and perform well for years to come. Increased property value. Installing double-hung windows is not just a functional upgrade, it's also an investment in your home's value. Prospective buyers appreciate the convenience, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of double-hung windows, which can make your property more attractive on the market. In Orangeburg's competitive real estate market, high-quality windows can set your home apart, providing an edge when it's time to sell. Versatility for any room. Double-hung windows are versatile and work well in any room of your home. From living rooms and bedrooms to kitchens and bathrooms, their adaptable design enhances the functionality and look of your spaces. Their ease of use makes them ideal for hard-to-reach areas, such as above sinks or behind furniture. Why choose double-hung windows for your Orangeburg home? The combination of energy efficiency, low maintenance, safety, and style makes double-hung windows a practical and elegant choice for Orangeburg homes. Whether you're upgrading your current windows or planning a new build, these windows offer benefits that cater to the needs of modern homeowners in the region. By choosing double-hung windows, you're investing in more than just home improvement. You're enhancing your quality of life while supporting long-term sustainability. With their unmatched versatility and timeless design, double-hung windows are a solution that Orangeburg homeowners can rely on for years to come.